Commercial moving spring 2026 in Miami. How can your business relocate in spring 2026 without losing productivity or revenue? Spring 2026 is shaping up to be one of the busiest seasons for commercial moving in Miami. Demand is high, schedules are tight, and unpredictable weather can throw even the best plans off track. The good news, with the right commercial movers Miami and a solid business continuity moving plan, you can relocate without your operations taking a hit. Key challenges of commercial moving in spring 2026. Spring moves come with specific challenges that many businesses underestimate. High demand for office moving services, weather-related delays, limited building access windows, staff availability conflicts. From what we've seen, companies usually fall into two camps: those who plan aggressively and those who figure it out on the go. The second group almost always ends up with delays and lost productivity. Why professional commercial movers in Miami make the difference? Let's be real, not all movers are built for commercial relocation. Residential movers might be cheaper, but they're not equipped for it. What sets best Miami movers apart? Experienced crews trained specifically in commercial moves. We've handled everything from small startups to multi-floor corporate offices, and in our opinion, the biggest differentiator is planning, not manpower. A commercial move doesn't have to mean lost revenue or chaos. If your goal is to minimize business downtime moving, the best solution depends on your situation, but there's no one-size-fits-all. There is a right approach, and if you want the move done fast, clean, and without disrupting your workflow, working with professionals like Best Miami Movers is honestly the safest bet. Get more tips and free moving quote in our website bestpricemovingquotes.com.